Simba and I are still in Savage Gulf State Park, and we're going to head over to the Greeter Falls Loop. We'll see you when we get there. Simba and I have made it out here to the trailhead. We're excited about seeing some more waterfalls, so sit back, relax, enjoy the tour, and we'll see you on the other side. And the bark means that we're at the end of the line, which also means that it's biscuit time, even though we didn't get to finish the trail because someone got too scared on the spiral staircase. But regardless, it is biscuit time, so sit down, bud. Sit. Can you sit? Good boy. Okay. We hope that you enjoyed our tour. Be sure to like and subscribe, and remember, your support goes directly to Simba's Hikes for Biscuits Fund, where your likes can turn into big biscuits for Simba. We'll see you next time, travelers.
Chasing sunsets and paw prints across the country. That's life on Paws.